Today's topic is to convert a none to an empty string in a given list. There are two methods to solve such kind of a problem. Method 1, that is a basic approach, and the method 2 by using a lambda. Let's start from the first method, that is a basic approach. So first we are going to initialize our list which contains the none in it, and after that we are going to use a list comprehension and a string in it. So what we're doing over here is we are going through each and every element in our list, and after that we are converting it into the string in which we are giving it that convert it into that particular formation, or to convert it into the single quotes with no parentheses. And after that we are saving those values in the list number 2, and we have them as an output. As you can see it over here, our list one comprises of two nones between A and B and to the C, and after that it get converted into the empty strings.